If you think achar is just gajar and gobi, this 20-minute spicy chicken pickle called Masuku achar will forever change how you eat your meals. Start by dry roasting some basic spices, then blend them into a powder and keep aside. I've mentioned all the details in the caption. Then marinate and massage the chicken pieces with salt and turmeric and fry the chicken in mustard oil until it's brown. Then in the same oil, fry some garlic, ginger and green chilies. Then add the chicken back along with sesame seeds, prepared masala, red chili powder and salt to taste. Lastly, add some vinegar and you can store this up to 2 months in the fridge. It's extremely addictive, so please make a big batch and thank me later.